I'd like to personally thank all of our custodians, operations, and maintenance personnel for their tireless work during the school closure. While our campuses are closed to students, these individuals continue to work inside and outside our buildings daily to make sure our campuses are ready as soon as we can return. Thank you for your dedication to the Arlington ISD community.
Thanks, custodial workers.
For all of you have done.
Thanks for all you do in keeping our schools clean.
Thank you, Young Rock!
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much for help.
Thanks for all you do.
Hey, saludos para todos los custodios, les agradecemos en su semana por todo el servicio que nos están brindando. Mantienen las escuelas impecables, muy limpias y estamos muy agradecidos por todo su servicio.
In a tireless and an impactful way, each and every day our custodians come in and clean and disinfect and make sure the buildings are operating properly, and our maintenance team continues to come in and make sure systems are operating as they should and they're operating efficiently. And many others that support the effort continue to do their job as well to help continue to make sure the buildings are ready when the students return. For that and so many other reasons, I want to say thank you again for all that you do. What you do is so important and so critical for our district, and you all just come in each and every day and do your job without any hesitation. So again, I just want to thank you. You are a valued part of our team, and you're critical to our operations. And again, thank you so much for all that you do.
We just want to say thank you to all the custodians and maintenance people that keep our schools clean and safe. Shout out to Miss Naughty and her great crew here at Short Elementary. You're the best.
Shout out to our maintenance, keeping all the things running, keeping everything going.
Thank you for cleaning up the schools and keeping us safe.
Thank you for keeping our schools clean. We love you.
It's a lot of work y'all do, and I am really thankful.
Keep up all the hard work.
Thank you for all you do. Thank you, Miss Nelva.
Thank you for keeping our schools safe and clean and for your continuous effort.
Thank you.
I want to take this opportunity to thank our maintenance team and our custodial team for their work in keeping our inside of our buildings and our campuses clean during this closure. We appreciate your work.
Thanks for keeping the schools clean and fighting this coronavirus. I appreciate it.